Have you ever wondered what lies deep within the heart of the Amazon rainforest? The answer is a world teeming with life, a spectacle of nature that leaves one in awe. Imagine a forest so dense and rich, it covers an area of over 6.7 million square kilometers, that's more than twice the size of India. This is the Amazon rainforest, the crown jewel among the world's rainforests. Nestled within South America and spanning across 9 countries, the majority of this breathtaking landscape resides within Brazil. The Amazon basin, which encompasses this lush rainforest, finds its borders marked by the Andes mountain range and the Guiana highlands. To the east, it kisses the Atlantic Ocean, while extending into the Brazilian plateau to the south. The Amazon rainforest is not only a geographical marvel, but it's also a treasure trove of history. Indigenous tribes have called this place home for thousands of years, living in harmony with the land. Western explorers only discovered its wonders in the 16th century, with adventurers like Francisco de Orellana leading the way. Now let's shift our focus to the true stars of the show, the Amazon rainforest's incredible biodiversity. This verdant haven houses a mind-boggling 390 billion individual trees, which belong to an approximate 16,000 distinct species. Among them, you'll come across emblematic flora, like the Victoria amazonica, the world's largest water lily, and the rubber tree that has had a significant impact on the region's economic history. Each species carries its own unique significance in sculpting the ecosystem of this magnificent rainforest. The biodiversity in this region is unparalleled. From majestic jaguars and formidable harpy eagles to the brilliant poison dart frogs, the Amazon rainforest is the natural habitat of an astounding array of species. Yet, the Amazon's remarkable ecosystem doesn't stop at these eye-catching creatures. It also hosts an incredibly varied insect population. Quantifying this insect diversity is an arduous task due to the immense and often expanse of the rainforest. However, experts postulate that the Amazon may be home to several million insect species. The diversity is so vast that countless insect species in the Amazon are either yet to be discovered or insufficiently documented. The intricate and multifaceted ecosystem of the rainforest creates an environment conducive to an extraordinary range of insects, accommodating everything from ants and butterflies to beetles and spiders. The Amazon rainforest is not just a biodiverse paradise, but also a vibrant human landscape. Home to a multitude of indigenous tribes such as Yanomami, Matses, Bora, Huaorani, Ticuna, and much more, each with their own unique languages, cultures, and traditions. But their existence is not without challenges. These tribes have faced and continue to face numerous hurdles, including threats to their traditional ways of life and the relentless impacts of deforestation. The Amazon is a sensory feast, a symphony of colors, sounds, and scents that transport you to an entirely different world. Imagine the vibrant hues of exotic birds like the scarlet macaw or the blue and yellow macaw, their colors standing out against the lush green canopy. Listen to the soothing rustle of leaves, the chatter of monkeys, and the hum of insects. A natural orchestra that provides the soundtrack to this incredible ecosystem. Breathe in the intoxicating fragrance of blooming orchids, their scent mingling with the earthy aroma of the rainforest floor. Each moment in the Amazon is an enchanting experience, a testament to the sheer beauty and wonder of nature. But remember, this beauty is fragile, and it's up to us to protect and preserve it. In the next scene, we will conclude our journey through the Amazon, reflecting on its importance and our responsibility towards its preservation. The Amazon isn't just a place of beauty and biodiversity, it's also an adventurer's paradise. Imagine navigating the winding waterways of the Amazon River, the world's largest river system, in a traditional canoe. The water's surface mirrors the overhead canopy of towering trees, creating a mesmerizing watercolor of greens and blues. Or envision trekking through dense foliage, your path lit only by the dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves. The air is thick with the anticipation of discovery, each step revealing another hidden treasure of the rainforest. And when night falls, set up camp under a sky awash with stars, the sounds of the nocturnal jungle, your only company. Each day in the Amazon is an expedition, an adventure that brings you closer to the heart of the wild. But remember, with every adventure comes responsibility. As we explore these wild spaces, it's up to us to respect and protect them. So, as we conclude our journey in the next scene, let's reflect on the importance of preserving this incredible wilderness for future adventurers to experience. As we've journeyed through the Amazon rainforest, we've been immersed in its enchanting beauty and diversity. But it's time to face a harsh reality. The Amazon rainforest, this vast green lung of our planet, is at risk. Rampant deforestation, primarily for logging and agriculture, is tearing through this precious ecosystem at an alarming rate. Urbanization, too, is encroaching upon its borders, endangering not just the myriad wildlife species, but also the indigenous communities who call the Amazon their home. Each year, an area the size of numerous football fields disappears, replaced by barren land. This not only disrupts the balance of the ecosystem, but also contributes to global warming, as the Amazon, a significant carbon sink, loses its capacity to absorb CO2. But all is not lost. Conservation efforts are underway to preserve this vital ecosystem. Various organizations are working tirelessly to combat deforestation, promote sustainable practices, and protect the rights of indigenous communities. And you too can play a role. By supporting these organizations, making conscious consumer choices, or even spreading awareness, you can contribute to the preservation of the Amazon rainforest. As we move into the conclusion, let's keep in mind that the survival of the Amazon is not just about preserving a beautiful and diverse ecosystem, it's about the survival of our planet. As we delve deeper into the consequences of the Amazon's deforestation, we uncover a staggering fact. Approximately 17% of the Amazon has been lost in the past 50 years. This isn't a localized problem confined to the boundaries of the rainforest. No, the repercussions echo across our planet. Each tree felled in the Amazon doesn't just take away a home for the countless species or a life source for the indigenous tribes. It's a blow to our collective fight against climate change. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the Earth's lungs, plays a critical role in regulating global climate. It absorbs billions of tons of carbon dioxide annually, acting as a significant carbon sink. But with the rampant deforestation, this green lung is gasping for breath. The trees that once absorbed CO2 are now being burnt or decayed, releasing the stored carbon back into the atmosphere. This not only aggravates the greenhouse effect, but also disrupts the rain cycle, affecting weather patterns globally. The loss of the Amazon isn't just a loss for Brazil or South America, it's a loss for all of humanity. It's a ticking time bomb that threatens to exacerbate the already dire climate crisis. As we move into the conclusion, let's remember that the fight to save the Amazon isn't just about preserving a paradise of biodiversity. It's about securing the future of our planet. As we grapple with the harsh realities of deforestation and climate change, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But despair is not the answer. Action is. On a global scale, governments and international organizations are stepping up efforts to conserve the Amazon. Strict laws are being implemented to curb illegal logging, and large-scale reforestation projects are underway. Initiatives like REDD+, reduced emissions from deforestation and forest degradation, are encouraging countries to preserve forests by offering financial incentives. However, the fight to save the Amazon is not just for governments or corporations, it's a fight for every individual. So, what can you do? Start by making informed choices. Choose products that are rainforest friendly. Many everyday items like coffee, chocolate, and paper can come from sustainable sources. Support organizations that are working to protect the Amazon, either through donations or volunteer work. Raise awareness about the Amazon's plight. Educate others about the importance of this living treasure and the role it plays in our survival. Remember, every action counts. Through collective efforts, we can ensure that the Amazon continues to thrive, not just for the wildlife, the indigenous tribes, or the unique species that call it home, but for the health of our planet and the future of all mankind. As we journey deeper into the 21st century, the role of technology in conservation efforts is becoming increasingly crucial. Satellites are being used to monitor deforestation and illegal activities in real time. Drones are flying over the canopy, capturing detailed images and data, providing invaluable insight into the health of the forest. Advanced GIS, Geographic Information System technology, is helping scientists and conservationists map and track changes in the Amazon's landscape. Artificial intelligence is also stepping in, with machine learning algorithms helping to analyze and interpret vast amounts of data, aiding in predicting potential threats and planning effective conservation strategies. On the ground, simple tech innovations like solar-powered devices are making a difference in the lives of indigenous tribes, reducing their dependency on destructive practices like logging for fuel. Technology, however, is not a magic bullet. It is a tool, and its impact rests on how we choose to wield it. If used wisely and ethically, it can empower us to make informed decisions, take timely action, and ultimately play a significant role in preserving the Amazon rainforest. As we adapt to an ever-changing world, let's remember to use our advancements not just for our benefit, but for the benefit of our planet as well. So, what lies deep within the heart of the Amazon rainforest? It's a world of breathtaking beauty, rich history, and incredible biodiversity. It's a testament to the wonders of nature and a reminder of our responsibility to preserve and protect these precious ecosystems for generations to come.